Right, well, thanks to the donations of Mark Cameron and Moira Hurst, back out on the road, and the mission for today is to deliver 400 containers to residents in the Richmond area. They apparently need water containers, and there's a distinct lack of them in this rather poor area, so it's good to be out and back and amongst it again. And so just to the pair of you, Mark and Moira, thank you very much. Really appreciate it, and it's going to go a long way. Catch you soon. Right, well, we're now doing our thing, distributing these containers to the residents here in Richmond. It's actually quite a fair bit of a hard hit area, but they seem to be holding up quite well. And as you can see, some of the locals are helping us out, which is absolutely brilliant. And yeah, oh crikey, as you can see, some of the places haven't done too well. But yeah, everything seems to be made out of either old brick or their old wooden houses in this area, and looks like most of the shelter's been cleaned up, which is great. Right, what the hell doing? Get rid of this stuff to the sallies! Man. Alright, there's a Baptist Church Fellowship here that's going to be holding a soup kitchen at 6 PM, so there'll be lots of people here. So I've dropped off the buckets to them and they'll distribute them amongst the families. Nice. Right, I'm here in Vancouver Crescent, just having a quick recce and having a look for siltage. I've been to the Australian Army place and had a tetanus shot, but it looks like there's still a lot of work here that needs to be done. For example, and down there, they've done the roads, but I'm looking up people's driveways to see if there's any siltage that needs doing. It's not too bad. Oh well, maybe they're not so bad after all. Alright, well, thank you very much for the donation for the fuel. I've used, let's see, how much have I used? I've used bugger all. Well, that's good. I'll be able to keep going for at least another 3 or 4 days and make more deliveries. So, yeah, once again, thank you very much, and we'll keep up the effort. Cheers.